What up, crypto traders? Patrick here with a late video. Just kind of looking at the Bitcoin halving, kind of the history of what has went on in the past. And I think what happened here when we got this quick rise was, a lot of the talk, because a lot more people are figuring out what Bitcoin is and the Bitcoin halving, and in their own minds and thoughts is like after these halvings, you make a lot of money because it shoots up. But really, I think that's what drove the price up, and this was a correction. So right now, it went all the way up at an all-time high of, around 73,000, close to 74, and then we had a correction here. And I believe this is what it would have been at normally, like a slow rise like this, all the way up to 57. And so now I believe it's like where it's supposed to be at. Anyway, but if you go to the Bitcoin halvings in the past, it takes about, you get a sideways trend of about 4 or 5 months before you get this parabolic kind of raise. And that's kind of what always happened in the past. Here's the other Bitcoin halving, this yellow line back in July 2016. It wasn't until around right here started rising in May. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, like almost like 10 months, right before it starts really raising in price. And that one went all the way up to 20,000, all from like a price of around 600. And so that's kind of the history of it. You can see right here, when the very first halving, it was like $174, got all the way up to 880. So what you're gonna see right now is basically perfect time to accumulate, because we're gonna go maybe through a sideways trend. I'm thinking until it's April right now. You said May, June, July. Probably about July, August, you're gonna see that parabolic growth that we've seen in the past, and I'm thinking it could go up to around 120 to 180,000. So you could see it come around this price right here, which is gonna drive a lot of prices up, especially the altcoins. But I don't see Bitcoin 10xing, 100xing, because that's going to be really hard to do, because you're going to have to basically 10x this market cap. It's already at 1 trillion 130 billion. So this is, in order for it to double, this has to go to 2.2 trillion. But we're going to see, you can see it's a big correction here. I believe we all drove the prices up because of the news of the Bitcoin halving is more mainstream now. But I'm still stacking up on Phantom Network. I got some good coins, and slowly DCAing into some of these coins. So here's some of the portfolio. I got Prime, Desync, Super, GPU, Beam, Sidus, Index. These are all coins that I got during some of my subscription programs, where I let all these smart people do all the research, but still my bots are still trading really good. Got about close to $34,000 USDT trading for me. A few of my bots are out of range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them are out of range. What are we at for profit right now? So we're at $300 US for profit, and we're gonna compound this back in once we hit 3,000 to activate a new bot. But these coins, I'm also expecting them during the bull run, July, August, September, November, December, to all double, triple, quadruple in price. So this 33,000, I'm hoping it turns into 6 figures. I'm very confident it will. And that's the video for today, guys. Want to give you an update, show you my portfolio, some of the coins I'm holding, and kind of the state of Bitcoin right now, just in my eyes. But this is not any kind of investment advice or anything like that. This is just what I'm doing for entertainment value only.